Grain prices are good, but farm input prices are rising even faster. Hi, I'm Darren Hefty with today's Ag Minute. Farmers look forward to the crop in 2011 because the grain prices look pretty good. The price of corn and soybeans and wheat is up from what it has been historically. However, the crop input prices are rising even faster. Purdue University recently released a report that said input prices for variable costs were up 13% year on year. So while farmers are looking forward to raising a good crop and potentially making some money, the input prices are rising fast enough that farmers are growing concerned. So many farmers are beginning to cut some costs in order to make money in 2011. The reason why is farmers have to pay all the input costs up front and they don't get a crop until fall. With today's Ag Minute, I'm Darren Hefty.